Hello everyone, this video is about creating advanced pages on the Shout WordPress theme. And with advanced pages I mean creating a page like the one that you see on the lifestyle demo. So the home page has some elements here above, just a big slider, then some content with a sidebar, and then under a row with 3 links. So I'm going to show you how to create this type of page. So from the admin area, go to Pages and Add New, and give your page a title. And if you're not seeing already the backend editor or the advanced page editor, click on backend editor so that you see this. And before we add the content here, because we are going to manage this page entirely with the content here, we are going to say that we don't want to show any sidebar and we don't want to show any title. So this way, all that the page is going to show is the content that we are going to add here. So let's add an element. And on this page, what we have here above are the posts. So we need to add a latest post page element. And in that case, the appearance is the featured style. And there's a category filter. You can also exclude some posts. I'm not going through all of these options. The idea here is just to quickly show you how to create this type of layout. So I'm just going to skip all of these options. I'll just put the maximum number of visible posts to 3 and turn on the navigation arrows. I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to publish our page. And at this moment, our page, let's see how it looks. So we already have here our slider and the footer. And you'll notice that the slider is not full width like this one. So what we need to do is on the parent row, we need to select here the pencil and edit the row properties. And what we need to adjust is only this property here, the row width. We are going to say that it's full width. So instead of a contained row, this row will be a full width row. Let's refresh our page. As you can see now, we have a full width row. It still has here this white border on the sides, and this is because I think, yeah, we are not loading enough posts, so we are only loading 3. Let's say that we want to load 9. And let's refresh again. So here are our 9 posts, and we already have the same slider as we have here. So now we have here this left side area with some posts and the sidebar on the right. So to create this type of layout, we need to add a new row. And we are going to say that it should be, in terms of columns, we have 2/3 and 1/3. And on the left side, we have latest posts element again. And in terms of appearance, we are going to select the classic grid style. And we are going to say that we want to load 3 posts on 3 rows. And once again, I'm not going to explore these options because it's not necessary for this video tutorial. So, and save the changes. And now we are also going to add our sidebar, which is an element called widgetized sidebar. Here it is. So I'm going to select the sidebar. In this case, it's the right sidebar, so it's already okay. And save changes and update. And at this moment, our page, we already have here our posts and the sidebar. As you can see, there's very few space here, so there are multiple ways to do this, but I'm just going to say on the row before that I want to have some margin. Something like this should be good. So when save, and back to where we were, we have this extra row here under, which has 3 columns with images and links to other parts of the website. So let's just add an extra row with 3 columns, and I'm just going to add the first image, and I'm going to say that I want it to be full size. And I'm going to select an image from the media library, which can be just this one. And as you can see, there's a text here inside. So the text is coming here from this caption. and I'm going to set this as the image, and we can also add here the option to open a custom link and save, and let's see how our page is looking at this moment. So we have your slider, some extra space, the content with the sidebar here, and we already have our first featured image here with a link. So the caption is missing, and I think that's because there's an option here missing too, which is let me see, where is the option to show the caption? Okay, here is add caption. So I forgot to select this option, and I'm going to say that I want to have it on top of the image. So it can be under, but I want it to be on top of image. So save changes once again. And obviously, if you want to have 3 images, you can just we can just duplicate that one. And now you can go here again and change the image and the link and the caption. So let's update. And let's refresh again our page. So now we have here the 3 images with the links. And just like before, if you want to give some extra space here after this row, just click here on the pencil. And let's just add 36 pixels of margin under and update. And refresh. So this is how you build advanced layouts or advanced pages on the Shout WordPress theme. If you still have any questions, just send me a message via TeamForest. Thank you very much for watching.